In this video, we are going to look at the problems on page 8 of the Chapter 1, Section 4 slides. The management of Robertson Controls must decide between two manufacturing processes for its Model C electronic thermostat. The monthly cost of the first process is given by C1 of X equals 20X plus $10,000, where X is the number of thermostats produced. The monthly cost of the second process is C2 of X equals 10X plus $30,000. If the projected monthly sales are 800 thermostats at a unit price of $40, which process should management choose in order to maximize the company's profit? So, we know that the monthly revenue for both processes is R of X equals, they're selling at $40, so that's 40X, but we also know X equals 800. Which means that R of 800 is $32,000. Okay, so let's see what the cost of the first process is and the cost of the second process. For C1 of X, C1 of 800, that's 20 times 800 plus 10,000. Okay, well, 20 times 800, that's 16,000. Plus 10,000. That gives us $26,000. So we'd see a profit of 32,000 minus 26,000, which is $6,000. For C2, the second process, C2 of 800 is 10 times 800 plus 30,000. Okay, well, that's 8,000 plus 30,000. Is 38,000. This means we're operating at a loss, because that's clearly more than the 32,000 that we started with. The loss is going to be 32,000 revenue minus 38,000 costs is negative $6,000, losing $6,000 per month. Therefore, we want to go with C1. Okay, so moving on, let's look at the second problem. Referring to the previous example, decide which process Robertson's management should choose if the monthly sales are 1,500 units and 3,000 units. So, we can set up our revenue function now, or our profit function now. P of X equals, we've got, let's see, it was, look at this again, 40X minus 20X plus 10,000 which is 20X minus 10,000. That's P1 of X. And P2 of X is 40x minus 10x plus 30,000, which is 30x minus 30,000. Okay, so we'll check out both of these for 1,500 and for 3,000. For A, for 1,500 units, we take P1 of 1,500, which is 20 times 1,500 minus 10,000. Well, 20 times 1,500 is 30,000 minus 10,000 is $20,000. P2 of 1,500 will be 30x, 30 times 1,500 minus 30,000. Okay, well, that's 45,000 minus 30,000, which is $15,000, $15,000 profit. So for 1,500 units, we still want to choose P1, or choose first process. Now, how about 3,000? B, got 3,000 units. Okay, so P1 of 3,000 is 20 times 3,000 minus 10,000. That's going to be 60,000 minus 10,000, which is 50,000. Make a profit of $50,000 off of 3,000 units. P2 of 3,000 is going to be 30 times 3,000 minus 30,000. Okay, well, that's 90,000 minus 30,000, which is 60,000. So if we're making 3,000 units, we want to choose the second process. All right, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know.